Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Andy. It is tune-up day on a 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander 2.4. Let's get it. Alright, so we got the extender here. You're gonna need a 10mm to get off your fuller bolts here. I already loosened one, but gotta get these 4 off. And we also want to disconnect the connectors here also. And then we also got our double platinum spark plugs for the 2018. They're pretty expensive in the store, but if you're like me, you want to go online and go to rockauto.com and they'll hook you up. Because it's another one. Like these right now, I have to take out because it's Facebook. A lot of times don't. So then I take your extended. I'll get that out. You can use it right now. In there. So this. Yeah. I'm not going to forever. This is actually my first time. Most of the time I just use the same. 4. I'm not trying to use that. 6. Like I got 6. There we go. That thing is it's done. And then you gotta be careful because sometimes it can be hot, especially if you just turn your car off. Just pull that thing out, and there it is. Super burnt out, which is pretty cool. Sorry, I'll be moving fast. Alright. Get that one out, and then you just want to pop that thing out there. And as you can see, first one out. And, oh dang, I guess you can't see. Alright, we're on the last one, and boom. Slid out perfect. You want to make sure you line them up so you don't, get them all mixed up. And we're going to go ahead and get the rest of these babies out. I think this was the first thing I ever did on my car. My 2018, my first car. Mine. Oh, these things are bad. They're a bit hard to get out. Most of the time when they're pretty rough to get out, like that means they're pretty old. And then after a while, you want to try not to do it the whole time because you can strip these. I just have done it a few times, so I can go a bit faster, but you want to be as gentle as you can, but gotta put some weight on it. Alright, so I got all 4 out. You can see all 4 empty. Well, you can't see in there, of course, because my camera sucks, but got all 4 out. And I am crunching for time, baby, because it's gonna storm a little bit. Auto light, spark plugs. Beautiful. As you can see, the freaking difference. This is the old one. That's the new one. Super different. Pop that in there. That round flat part's gonna always go in. And you got a magnet, it sticks all the time. Alright, we're in there. And then same when you go from the left to the right when you're taking out. When you're putting back in, you want to try to go right to left, or even if you start right to left, when you put back in, you want to go left to right. So, make sure I turn that. Alright. Slowly drop that in there. Sometimes this is the hole. Sometimes you want to just take that bar off and spin it in here like such. And then when you pull it out, it should be still in there. Alright, so I got that first one in there. The sun kind of went away, so I guess you can kind of see it in there. So then you just want to slide this back in there like such. And I know I should have took that thing off. But alright, so I got all 4 in. I'm just tightening up now. Oh man, look at that storm moving in, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And remember, ladies, man, this stuff is so freaking easy. I promise you, you can do it at the crib, okay? If you got any questions, all you gotta do is hit me up. I don't got no chair, ain't got no live chat, so I can always answer your questions. Just know that I'm learning as I go also. Obviously, I know what I'm doing. Hey, you feel me? Like, wait. But we gonna get up out of here because the wind is about to kick my phone's butt. Thank y'all. I'll see y'all later. And of course, you gotta try it out. No shaking. We're good.